Sunday and I'm having this delicious meal that I've been eating like all week. It's weird because like I go through phases where like I will have the same food for breakfast throughout the whole entire week and I don't get sick of it for a while, and then I'll just switch it up, you know? It's kind of a good thing because then I know what I'm gonna have each morning. This has been my go-to, and then adding this spicy ketchup with jalapenos on top of the potatoes, eggs mixture is bomb.com. I just really aged myself by saying that. Yeah, so today's Sunday, and today I have an announcement to talk about. You probably already know by the thumbnail, but I'm gonna wait until Diego gets here so that we can announce it. And then yeah, so today's my day to cook Sunday night dinner, and I'm gonna go to the store and get the stuff. But yeah, so that's my day. And yeah, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video and then I will check back with you guys in a little while. So I was going to film when I went to the grocery store, but I had a really squeaky cart and I was kind of focused on trying not to make the cart squeak. I had a feeling when I grabbed the cart that I grabbed, I was like, oh no, something's gonna be wrong with it because that always happens to me. And then I started walking, it started squeaking, and I'm like, should I go get another cart? And then I was like, no, it'll be fine, but it was loud. And at some points I had to like lift the cart up so it wouldn't squeak, so I was getting like an arm workout at the same time. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do a grocery haul. First off is jalapeno kettle chips, graham crackers, 2 Lunchables because I'm a child at heart. I have some hot sausage, pineapple sausage. I have some pineapples, some coconut milk. And then in bag number 2, I saw these and I thought, wow, they're blue. They seem like they're the same as the regular ones, but I don't know, maybe we'll do a little taste test when Diego gets here. Then we got some bell peppers, and I got Diego a little surprise. So he loves Reigns, and he has to have one every day. So I bought him a little pack, 2 things of cream cheese, some apple spray because I want it to smell like fall in here. I don't know where it cut me off, but basically the last thing that I got was lactate. Okay, so Diego's here now, and now we can tell you the great news.
Pretty great.
Drum roll, please. We officially found an apartment. So I've been looking for, well, I feel like it was forever, but it really wasn't. But we officially found one. We are moving in October 10th, so get ready for moving vlogs. And yeah, I'm so excited. Mm-hmm. Me and Diego are moving next weekend, and I have been packing up a storm, and I just wanted to show you my room and show you all of the craziness that's in here. So this is it. This is my situation right now. Ignore the dress, I have to hang that up. But this is the situation. Oh, I have this comforter for our bed, which I just want to shout out something real quick. Me and Diego were beyond blessed to have somebody be selling their furniture and give it to us for cheap. So we got a bed for free, a couch, a chair, some lamps, and then that was all $300. The couch, the bed, the lamps, and a chair for $300, and a bench. I also got a bench that's out in the backyard, and I got all of that for $300. So we were like so lucky. So we don't have to get any of that stuff. We just need to get, the biggest furniture that we need to get is a dining room table, and that's about it. But so I do want to get a new TV stand. So this is our current TV stand. I like it, but I feel like it doesn't go with any of the wood that we have in the house. But we can't afford to get a new one quite yet, so we're gonna use it for a little while, and then once we can afford it, we'll get a new one. But for now, that's gonna be our TV stand. So yeah, we are just so beyond blessed to have like all this stuff, and I just feel like God has definitely provided for us through this whole entire time. And even with COVID, like I feel like even though that we had to cut down our size on our wedding, I still feel like God is behind this and he wants this to happen 100%. So anyways, let me show you the comforter that I got. This is it. Isn't it so cute? This is the cutest comforter ever. So it comes with, obviously it looks like very stiff. Like when I showed Diego what I bought, he's like, that looks like really stiff. I'm like, no, it's not. It's like really plushy. Only the front layer is this waffle material, which I think that's gonna add so much texture to the room, and I love that. And then also it comes with these pillowcases, which I'm excited about too. And I have the perfect rug, the perfect long pillow, kind of like this, except it's just gray like this, and it has like pom-poms on it. So cute. Our room is gonna be the cutest room ever. So I really want to have a house that is cozy, that is our vibe. It doesn't have to I just don't want it to look like really mismatched. I want everything to be cohesive, and I want it to be cozy, and I want it to be a place that we walk in and I'm not like, I want to change this and I want to change that and I wish we would have done this. I want it to be a place where you walk in and it feels like a Pinterest board. Like you walked into a Pinterest like room. But yeah, so I am so excited to have that weight lift off my shoulders and not feel so scared or just not so stressed about finding an apartment. I'm just so glad that we were able to find one, and God gave us the perfect one. We're moving in next weekend and I'm so excited. But yeah, anyways, I just want to end this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.